Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your contract with Sprint. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your contract with Sprint, start by gathering all relevant information. Ensure you have your account number and the associated phone number. Prepare any personal identification documents that may be required. Visit the Sprint website or open the Sprint mobile app. Log into your account using your username and password. Navigate to the Account Management section. Look for the option to Cancel Service or Cancel Contract. Read through any provided information about canceling your contract. If necessary, reach out to Sprint customer support for clarification. Decide whether you want to cancel online or by speaking with a representative. If canceling online, follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process. If you choose to call, dial the customer service number provided on their website. Once connected, inform the representative that you wish to cancel your contract. Be prepared for the representative to ask for your account details for verification. Follow their instructions carefully as you proceed with the cancellation. Ask about any final charges or fees associated with canceling your service. Confirm that you receive a cancellation confirmation by email or message. Check your final bill for any discrepancies after cancellation. Keep any documentation related to the cancellation for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.